Flexible thinking routines are important part of today's 21st century skills which needs to be practiced day in and day out by all we educators. It helps us to create an evidence, give meaningful discussions to the talk that is happening inside our classrooms by creating connections to the outside world. So let's start with the first routine. Just see at the picture and now think, what do I see in this picture? What do I think is happening in this scene? Oh, I could see one door closed. What do I wonder is happening on the other side? This is a simple way of creating curiosity among our young adults. It is called as I see, I think, I wonder. It helps to build up the curiosity. It helps to bring in deeper thinking, shift the explanation. And these days, we have one more to it added, which is I see, I think, I feel, I wonder. Now, look at this. This is a quote which is being shared, which tells artificial intelligence will never replace great teachers. So, one among them is you. What do you think about this? Do you think it's just a quote where someone is trying to have fun? So, what thoughts come to your mind as you listen to this quote? It is thinking. Do you have any puzzles, any questions that come on as you listen to this quote? And if in this world of AI, artificial intelligence should never replace great teachers like us, what is that I should be doing it? Because AI is never going to replace your job. It's just one of our friend who is better at AI, who is going to become more efficient. So, what ideas come to your mind for further exploring? This thinking routine is called Think, Puzzle, Explore, which can be used to create deeper inquiry skills among the students. Now, let me ask you, what are the qualities of a true friend? So, we as teachers, we could give few of them, like just like a starting prompt to our students. I have given few of them for your reference. So, I might tell a true friend is the one who is confident, who is the most funniest person, who makes me be what I am. So, what, how did I come to know? I just gave you a question. What are the qualities of a friend? So, you immediately had an image drawn in your mind. You connected the question to the word, the real life scenario, that is the connection. What connection? From where did you get the list? From our own life, which is a real life application. What ideas do you want to challenge? Might be the other one tells the person is very funny. Really? Should a friend be funny? You would like to have a debate on it. Now, out of these, some of them might not be connected to the question that I have asked. So, what key concepts, what are the key terms do you think are worth holding into? Not each and everything that is being said is worth. So, which key concepts do you think are worth holding on? And what changes if you think my friend thinks that confidence is the key to success? So, I love my friend, I trust her, and so I feel that I should become more confident. So, what changes in thinking might you consider either for you or for others? So, this is called as connect, challenge, concept, change. Four C's: connection, challenge, concept, changes. So now it's your turn. You tell me what's the characteristics of an outstanding teacher. Few of them I have already been given here. Now you will have your own characteristics. You are going to do it for your own self. Then consider what connection can you make to your own life as you are an outstanding teacher or would like to be. What ideas do you want to challenge yourself? What key concept or ideas do you want to hold on to? And what changes or attitude or action do you suggest for your own self to become an outstanding teacher? And I would meet you with the next visible thinking routine session. But meanwhile, kindly put on your comments, your features that you think in the comment section. See you tomorrow. Thank you for joining.